good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper today and for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week and for the last few days. As we all know, there was a great drop in copper, but the bottom zone was 372. You can see the price tested this 372. So many times the price tested this 374. And for you, we can say that we had moved to the next contract. Since this contract is expected to expire soon, we had moved to the next contract. So what was happening in copper market was that the chart which we are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick represents 1 hour. So from 372, after taking, you can see one bottom, 2, 3 and 4. After making a strong support around this zone, the price bounced back. Whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below, and this x-axis was marked for the date and time. So the price gave a bounce back, and from here, from 372, the price reached 392. You can see we were following a moving average. The market just took a resistance with the average, and then that pushed the price down. On Friday, you can see the price tested this 392 and it came down till 384 on Saturday and closed around 386. So what we can do for this week? We have got two major zones, and I have marked that as 392 and 382. So you can see there was a very strong support around this 372 when we see the price action, and because of this support the market gave a good bounce back and took the resistance around 392. So once the price was tested around the zone and the market gave a bounce back. So as far as the trend is concerned, we can say the copper is still in downtrend. If the copper market, if you expect the copper to stay in uptrend, it should maintain this 382 zone. If the price breaks this 382 zone and if it is staying lower below that, surely it will come down and test this 372 again. This is going to be the key support zone for copper. So we are saying that the trend is still expected to be in selling. But for the buyers, if we expect some buying in copper, it should maintain this 382 zone. It should form a support around this zone like what it did around 372. The same type of patterns you can expect in this zone. It will test it and then give you a bounce back and close above and then come down. You can see, refer this pattern. This type of pattern of support should happen here if there is any buying in copper market. But if the price breaks this 370 to 82, then it is going to again test the low that was created earlier around 23rd of this month. So it is going to be a tough day for trading because the market had provided a very good price action in the last few days. Now it is going to struggle for momentum. But if you want a very clear clarification for buying, it should break this 392 and put a closing above 392, so that can pull the price till 400 zones. So for buying, two things should happen. It should take a support around 382 and sustain it, so that it will invite a lot of support buyers to support in this zone. Second confirmation, it should break 392 and put a closing above that, so that it will confirm that it is above the resistance zone and it's going to be above the average. That can give you a lot of momentum for the buyers. But as far as the price action and trend are concerned, you can say unless until the price breaks the 392 and put a closing above that, you can expect copper to stay in downtrend. The key zone, the intermediate zone, is going to be 382. You should watch this zone very carefully. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.